Hi everyone. This video is going to be an overview on the reaching tabletop bridge or tricep bridge. Either way. So this is a moderately advanced bridging movement. So if you're struggling with shoulder bridges, I would advise continuing working on those before you move up to this more advanced version. If you're struggling with tricep bridges, same thing, right? You want to have both of those movements really solid before you try this one out. So just as a reminder, shoulder bridge is here, abs are engaged, pushing up, feeling this in the glutes, right? You're gonna be able to do this comfortably, no disc pain anywhere, your hips aren't feeling super tight, you're not feeling low back cramp up. You can do that comfortably. Next up is the tricep bridge. So this position, pushing up. This is that tabletop bridge position, right? So if you can hold comfortably here, you're driving with the chest, and you're like, oh, it's totally fine. Then you're all right for trying out this next one. Important to get those prerequisites though. So what you're going to be doing here, you're getting yourself nicely set in the beginning of that tricep bridge position, low back arch. You're going to push up, and then one arm goes backwards, and then you come down, and then the other arm. Right, so you want to push particularly through the opposite side hip of the hand you're moving, right? So if I'm moving my left hand, my right hip drives up. If you don't, then you will kind of collapse a little bit more, which is actually all right. It's just a different kind of movement because you're trying to reach backwards here. Up and down, reaching backwards, right? So you're going to feel stretching in the lats, and an extension in your hand. You want to think about really driving, and you're pushing that hand into the ground, keeping your chest nice and high. So this works on both your stabilization in your shoulder and mobilizing that other one. If that itself feels really fine, you can try a slightly different version, which is up, and then reaching and rotation coming down. You still want to keep this opposite side hip pretty active, but you want to allow it to give so you can actually rotate in the torso a little bit. Right, up and down, getting that twist. Right, that's a little different, and again, that's a little, one more step up. So try the extension, the reaching first, and for a while, feeling comfortable with it, and then if you want to try doing some rotations, you totally can. It's good to explore your movement capacity, what your body can do. You just want to make sure that you have the foundations and the prerequisites so that you don't push past what your body is comfortable doing. So play around with it. It's really good for the glutes, for that low back stability, but also really getting that nice stretching, rotation, and shoulder blade activation. So enjoy.